Fresh fruit, mangoes, melons. I'd like to do a video. Oh, I was gonna say I'd like to do a video on how they clean their pineapple. It's pretty cool. Look at this. Bugs, dried frogs, giant crickets. But look at this one. The scorpion, yeah. You got fried scorpions. Oh, cool. That's. I don't think I would even eat that. It's a bag of snails. They're alive. Oh, you go ahead. Eating a scorpion. Do it. Sad scorpion. Oh, dried snakehead. Okay, for anyone who's still watching.
You buy the scorpion?
I bought the scorpion. Look at that. You want to eat one? Go ahead, I got a bag full. It's cheap. 20 baht for 2, 4, 6, 7. Oh. Look at that. Never done this before. It's disgusting. It's like eating.
Have egg?
I don't know. I don't think
have
so.
egg really good too.
It's like eating crab shells. That is disgusting. I can't eat this. Ah, that's gross. Tastes like nothing. There's the tail. Try that. I'll tell you what. There's no way you can even chew it. Oh, that's gross. Don't eat scorpions. Well, it's just shell. There's nothing in them. It's an interesting flavor, though. The shells are gross. You can't even swallow that. I can't swallow that. I think I will give away the rest of this bag of scorpions. Wow. Never again. Never again. It don't taste bad, you just can't swallow it.
Garbage.
Yeah, where's the garbage? I'm still getting shells out of my teeth.
Yeah.
It's twice.
You're gonna do
The thing is twice as big now as it was when I started eating it.
take out your teeth all day.
Probably.